vegan.
But then Amanda, you just started making recipes using Keto Chow. In addition, well, you were making other recipes too, right?
Yeah, I just had an idea one day. I was like, strawberry pudding sounds really good, but I didn't want to use any of the sugar-free pudding because it just
it's full of
maltodextrin.
maltodextrin.
it's full of just stuff that I didn't want to eat. So I was like, I wonder if Keto Chow would work. So played around with it a little bit, and it was delicious. And then I sent you guys pictures.
And I'm like,
and
can I
Mary
post
was
that?
like-
Can I post that? Can I post that?
Then it was
Yes.
then it was like chocolate pudding and hold on, let's
Oh, the
see.
banana
The banana
cream
cream
pie.
pie.
The banana cream pie.
So good.
Let's just go down memory lane and see what we can find of Amanda's recipes. I'm still going back in time, so
Gonna go back in time. I'm apparently singing a lot today.
It started with
Okay.
me making Taffy's cheesecake, though, the pumpkin spice cheesecake.
oh yeah,
And then I was like, wow, this is like
there it is. There's
Keto
Taffy's.
Chow is really amazing to bake with. Like, it works really well in a lot of things. So I was like, I'm going to try it here and there and see what I can come up with.
Did you try making my super awesome recipe, which was putting your chocolate Keto Chow in the microwave?
I did. Me and Katie had the mint chocolate right after you
Oh, yeah?
sent it to me.
So
and
good.
yeah, it was really delicious.
Okay, so here we've got your banana cream pie. And then we've got your chicken pot pie.
So good.
Let's see.
The chocolate pudding pie is one of my favorites.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, and then there's the Keto Chow toffee or vanilla chocolate
Yeah,
chip cookies.
we have been having those a lot. A lot of people like making those too.
Yeah.
They work really well with any Keto Chow, really.
Yeah.
And let's see. Bum, bum, bum.
Except the chicken. I probably wouldn't use the
Chicken
chicken.
cookies. No,
Chicken
but the
cookies,
chicken
that
has
sounds-
been really fun. Like the crepes. I know Lindsay, my neighbor, she makes them all the time.
Yeah.
The
I
crepes.
have a lot of people at
and
work that
just-
make them.
Because
Oh,
then
yeah.
it's a tortilla and you're not getting any carbs. So that's really
Then you
nice.
got the eggnog marshmallows,
Yes, Holly wants to make those. She was dying today wanting a marshmallow.
raspberry cheesecake breakfast scones.
I need to make those
Oh,
again.
yeah,
I wanted
I
to
think
try
we
them
made
with
those too.
orange.
Ooh,
Yeah.
like an orange roll?
Yeah. It's really good if you make like a icing and put it over the top of it. Oh, it's really delicious.
Then the banana bread.
Yep.
Then the
Had quite a
crepes.
few people. Somebody the other day made muffin tops with that recipe, the
Okay.
banana bread recipe.
Oh, yeah.
They looked so good.
Nice.
Nice. Then the crepes, which we all know and love. The drop biscuits. The snickerdoodle cheesecake bars. Is that one yours? The snickerdoodle cookies?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, that one was yours too.